Hello class, I hope all is well. I've already done 3 takes of this video because it's like who's on first and what's on second, but here it goes. Hopefully this one will work. Without making things, so that's what I'm trying to do, is not make things confusing for you of where we are in the rest of the class. We got this online week coming up next week. I am going to post another participative discussion for the online week, which is going to be due, okay, on December the 5th, okay? The first participative discussion is gone. The second participative discussion and the third participative discussion will be posted. They will be from Chapter 4. The first participative discussion gone. Second participative discussion will be due the 28th of November. Third participative discussion will be due the 5th of December. There will be one more participative discussion, and that is going to be due December the 12th, Monday. The whole point of changing the grading system is to make it a little bit easier for you and more comprehensible to focus on getting the assignments done more than the grade points. Grade points are important, but I want to make sure that you guys get the understanding of the concepts. So here it is one last time. There's going to be no more hypotheticals. The one you had was worth 25 points. I bumped it up to 30. So here it is so far in the grade. Hypothetical 1 was 15 points, is now worth 20. If you got 15, you got 20 now. I made the mathematical correlations. Participative discussions 2 and 3 are going to be worth 15 points coming from Chapter 4. I've already posted one of them, which I've extended to Monday, the 28th of November, to get it in. So that is going to be participative discussion 2, and participative discussion 3 is going to be due on December 5th. Participative discussion 4 is going to be worth 20 points, so there's going to be no more hypotheticals, okay? And I will post that after we have class on the 8th, and that will be due, actually, to be fair to you, that will be due on the 15th, the last day of class. But it absolutely has to be in. No exceptions. So here's the grading. Hypothetical number 1, 30 points. Participative discussions 1 and 4, worth 20 points. 2 and 3 on Chapter 4 will be worth 15 points. So there's your 100 points. Okay? So going forward, as far as what I'm going to cover in classes, when we get together again on December the 1st, I am going to be covering elasticity, Chapter 6. On December the 8th, I am going to be covering comparative advantage. I haven't put them up online yet in the modules, but I will be the next week or so. But you can look at them in your book, go over what you see in the book for those chapters, just to get a glimpse of them. And I will be posting again after class on Thursday, December 8th, some some participative discussions, including both chapters 6 and 9. So kind of split it up, but it'll be worth 20 points. So there's your 100. Hypothetical number 1, 20. 30, I mean. Participative discussions 1 and 4, 20. And 2 and 3, 15 each. Alright? So that's where we're going forward. And hopefully it's not too confusing, but I really try to be as fair as I can with extending deadlines on things. So if you haven't got things in that are due, please get them in. But hypothetical number 1, I'm sorry, participative discussion number 1 is gone. I mean, that was like week 1. And after the online week, we'll have completed week 5. We just got 3 more left. Last class, I'd like to do a part 1 or something. Let's figure out what we're going to do. We'll talk about it when we get together. But until then, have a wonderful Thanksgiving and a safe one. Professor DeChico signing out.